You know, believe it or not, here in the Woodsmith shop, our drill bits aren't always the sharpest. So sometimes you're left with a hole that has a little bit of burning, a little bit of scorching, and it just isn't smooth on the inside. So here's an oldie but a goodie tip on how to get those smooth. By taking a dowel and cutting a slit in it, you can then feed through a couple pieces of sandpaper. Maybe. Then you can chuck the dowel into a drill, get her started in the hole, and then give her a little twist. Nice and smooth, and it's a pretty cheap flap sander.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video tip, be sure to subscribe to the Woodsmith Shop channel. Every week we're adding great woodworking tips and woodworking videos. All you have to do is hit the bell to be notified. Plus, you'll find project plans and downloads in the description below.